Welcome back to EV Horizon, where we explore the cutting edge of electric mobility. Today we are diving deep into the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq Venus Luxury, a futuristic sedan that feels like it drove straight out of tomorrow. This sleek all-electric beauty is Hyundai's bold new statement in the luxury EV space, blending breathtaking design with advanced technology and everyday practicality that drivers are going to love. From the moment you see it parked, you know this is no ordinary sedan. Let us begin with the exterior, because the Ioniq Venus commands attention like few others. Finished in that eye-catching radiant gold paint, the body shimmers under sunlight and turns heads at every intersection. The design features a dramatic one-curve silhouette that flows seamlessly from the low-sloping hood all the way to the rear, creating an incredibly aerodynamic profile that slices through the air with minimal drag. A lightweight frame-structured roof adds a sense of lightness and modernity, while the transparent spoiler at the back is both functional and futuristic, helping with high-speed stability without spoiling the clean lines. Up front, the slim LED daytime running lights form a distinctive H-shaped signature that glows with precision, paired with an illuminated Hyundai badge that lights up like a jewel. The sharp front bumper includes a wide air intake and black splitter for a sporty edge, and those dual-tone alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile tires give the car a planted, confident stance that screams luxury. Every panel is sculpted with minimalist precision, moving away from pixel lighting themes of earlier Ioniq models towards something sharper and more elegant, yet still unmistakably Hyundai. The overall length feels just right for a midsize sedan, offering presence without feeling oversized, and the flush door handles and tinted glass roof complete that high-tech, wind tunnel-perfected look. Now step inside the cabin and prepare to be impressed. The interior of the Ioniq Venus Luxury is a true wraparound cockpit designed for the driver first, yet welcoming for everyone. Soft suede upholstery covers the supportive seats, contrasted by chrome gold accents and precise stitching that elevate the whole space into premium territory. Layered mood lighting bathes the dashboard in a warm glow inspired by the planet Venus itself, creating an immersive atmosphere that changes with your drive mode. Dominating the front is a massive panoramic display that spans the dashboard and doubles as a passenger entertainment screen, offering crisp graphics, intuitive menus, and seamless smartphone integration. The squared-off three-spoke steering wheel feels premium in your hands, while the column-mounted gear selector keeps the center console clean and high-set. You will find two wireless charging pads, generous storage cubbies, and soft-touch materials everywhere you look. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and their own climate controls, making this a true four-door luxury hauler. A friendly interactive Lumi character pops up on the screen to greet you, adding a playful human touch to the high-tech environment. Climate control is automatic and whisper quiet, the audio system delivers concert hall sound, and every switch feels engineered for effortless operation. It is comfortable for long trips, refined for city driving, and packed with safety tech like advanced driver assistance that makes every journey feel effortless. Performance-wise, the Ioniq Venus Luxury delivers exactly what you expect from a flagship EV. Dual electric motors send over 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of instant torque to all four wheels, launching the sedan from 0 to 60 in a brisk 4.5 seconds while maintaining composure through corners thanks to adaptive suspension and a low center of gravity. The ride is plush yet responsive, soaking up bumps without float and offering precise steering that makes highway merging or twisty back roads equally enjoyable. An estimated 350-mile EPA range comes from the large battery pack, and fast charging technology takes you from 10 to 80% in about 18 minutes at compatible stations. Regenerative braking is strong and adjustable, helping you recapture energy in city traffic, while the quiet cabin lets you enjoy the serenity of electric propulsion or optional simulated sounds if you want a little extra drama. It handles like a much smaller car yet feels planted and secure at highway speeds, with multiple drive modes that let you dial in everything from eco-efficiency to sporty thrill. In real-world testing, the Venus proved reliable, efficient, and fun, proving Hyundai nailed the balance between luxury comfort and electric excitement. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq Venus Luxury starts at $62,000 in the United States, making it a strong value in the premium EV sedan segment. That base luxury trim already includes the panoramic display, suede interior, advanced safety suite, and the full powertrain we just covered. Step up to higher packages with enhanced autonomous features, premium audio, and exclusive colors and you are looking at $75,000 fully loaded, still competitive against rivals like the Lucid Air or BMW i4. Federal tax incentives could bring the effective price even lower for many buyers, and Hyundai's reputation for strong resale value and comprehensive warranty adds peace of mind. Overall ownership costs stay low thanks to minimal maintenance and impressive efficiency ratings around 120 mpg combined. The 2026 Hyundai Ioniq Venus Luxury is more than just a car. It is a vision of where electric luxury is headed, with stunning design, a cockpit that feels alive, thrilling yet efficient performance, and pricing that brings premium EV ownership within reach. Whether you are commuting in style or cruising cross-country, this futuristic sedan checks every box. If you are in the market for something forward-looking that still feels approachable, put the Ioniq Venus on your test drive list. What do you think? Ready to welcome this Venus into your garage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if this review helped, and subscribe to EV Horizon for more in-depth looks at the future of driving. We will see you in the next one. Drive electric, stay curious.